Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, December 1st, 2020, and it is a chilly start to the day today. Today we have Try It Tuesday. Today's activity is art. For today's Try It, I want you to draw, color, or paint a picture of something that makes you happy. Use your imagination and be creative and colorful. You can even share some of your masterpieces here. So after you get it completely finished on this Try It Tuesday, you can get your teacher to send me a picture, or you can let your teacher know that you want me to come by, and we can take some pictures of your artwork and share it here on the morning announcements. I know that Miss O'Neill has been working hard with you in your art classes, and I know there are some beautiful works out there to share. So for today's Try It Tuesday, try some art. Now, please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today for breakfast we have Pop-Tart and cereal and some fruit. For lunch we have chicken bites and carrots. For breakfast tomorrow on Wednesday we have breakfast sandwich, and for lunch we have hot dog and fries. We have some birthdays today. We have a very important birthday, Miss Sank. Miss Sank helps us so much over in pre-K and in kindergarten, so let's celebrate Miss Sank today. And we're also going to celebrate Bryce Moon, Hayden Stewart, and Paris Anderson. Happy birthday! We still have our Stuff the Bus toy drive. I was by the library yesterday and looked at the tree, and we don't have very many toys, so let's keep working on that. It's that time of year again. We are collecting new unwrapped toys for our annual Stuff the Bus toy drive. Make sure you are sending your new toy to the library by December 7th, and everybody that donates a toy will get to wear your favorite Christmas shirt and jeans on Friday, December 11th. So get those toys in, and you can enjoy helping out someone and wearing your favorite Christmas shirt and jeans. We have some important dates coming up. Starting yesterday and going through the end of the week, we are working on our Ready Growth monitoring. Yesterday and today we were working on reading, and on Wednesday and Thursday it's going to be math, and on Friday we're going to play catch up. So make sure that everyone is doing their growth monitoring. Check those reports. Today we start our phonics first tutoring. That is super exciting. Tomorrow we have PST during extended PE times. Next Monday or Tuesday, they're going to pick up all the toys for the Stuff the Bus. Next Wednesday, we have grade level meetings during our extended PE time. On Friday, December 11th, the students and staff who donated a toy may wear jeans and a Christmas shirt. And on December the 18th, we're going to have every teacher's favorite Feel Good Friday. We have a couple of shout-outs today. We have a shout-out to London Knock. She is recognized by Miss Peralta. London donated a toy, and Miss Peralta wanted to recognize her for that and to encourage everyone else to bring those toys in. Thanks, London. Also, we have a shout out to Miss Heichman. This shout out is coming from Nicoya Jackson. She says, I would like to give a shout out to Miss Heichman. She is the funniest teacher, and she makes sure that our class has our mask 100% on, and we are okay with our reading work and what we are working on. So, shout out from Nicoya to Miss Heichman for being an awesome teacher and for making sure her students are doing their work and wearing their masks. So, way to go. That is all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd, and stay warm out there.